G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's Saturday the 16th of 2023. This is the S&P 500 update. You can see here on the daily, first off, we did have a nice big bearish candle, really taking us down and almost reaching that bottom of that candle range there. So we've had a nice bearish movement, and that was in support of also of this CCI bearish divergence, which has started back here in mid-June, and that's still playing to the downside. Now you can see that the CCI is still falling off. The Stochastic likewise is also getting weaker as well after it bouncing off its moving average, but in the overbought territory. And our multiple indicator down here is broken down through the -3. Now looking at the hourly chart, we did project before our last video, we did project this small divergence that was forming, and we videoed it just as in the midpoint as it was forming, and then it suddenly overnight, in Australian time, it actually broke down quite viciously and broke through this trend line. That would have been your entry. Now we didn't project any targets at the time of the last video, but typically you would have entered when it broke below that trend line. If it continued on a downtrend on the CCI, which it did, that would have been your entry, and the target would have been around the 38% level. So let's just draw in probably somewhere around that range there. That would have been your initial target area. Now in this case it's fallen almost as far as 100% of that range. So no sign yet of it bouncing. You can see there the CCI is still falling, the Stochastic is still falling, and our multiple indicator down here is also pretty much on the zero line, hasn't really given us any bullish movement yet. So far the target's been hit on the hourly chart at least, and we may see further declines in the coming days when the market opens during the week. So to understand how to trade using the divergence but also some trend trading strategies, support us more on the Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel, hit that notification bell, and see you in a future video.